eShare W80, the best pick for your hassle-free wireless conferencing. Let's see what's in the package. The eShare W80 presentation system. 2 HDMI 2.0 cables. 1 USB A to B cable. A power adapter. 3 power pins, and a product manual. eShare D20 is not in the package, but a separate dongle product which is designed to work with W80 for wireless conferencing. Before the product demo, we're going to set it up first. Now we have the eShare W80, D20, a webcam, 2 speakerphones, 2 meeting room displays, and 2 HDMI 2.0 cables. Let's do it in 5 steps. Step 1. Link eShare W80 to both displays. Fetch 2 HDMI 2.0 cables and connect both displays to the W80's HDMI out ports. Step 2. Hook up the HDMI and USB cables. Use the HDMI and USB host cables in the package. Connect them to the HDMI in and USB host. You can place them on the desk for plug-and-play connection. Step 3. Connect the USB peripherals. Connect the meeting room webcam to the hub. Connect the speakerphone to the USB hub as well. You can daisy chain another one to it for a better pickup range. Step 4. Connect to your network. Connect eShare W80 to your office network via this LAN port. Lastly, power on. Use the power adapter to plug it in. As the light on the front panel turns green, the power is on. Everything's set now. Pair your D20 wireless dongle. If you're using eShare D20 for your hybrid meeting, don't forget to plug it into the pairing port and pair it with your W80 model. How does it work? eShare W80 integrates all your in-room meeting gear, the speakerphone, meeting room webcam, and dual displays. Dual monitor, dual view. The system supports dual monitors so that everyone in the meeting room can see well. When there's one presenter, the screen will be shown on both displays. When there's a second signal coming in, both sources will be shown individually. Even though you have only one display for 2 presenters, the dual view feature has you covered. Hybrid meeting solutions. You can quickly take command of the meeting room system on your laptop for a hybrid meeting. Plug the D20 wireless dongle into your laptop. Press the button to cast your screen. Push this small button to quickly gain the USB host. Choose room camera and room audio on the device list to take control of the webcam and speakerphone on W80. Now you can use the video conference services as you like and put your meeting room devices in use by a few clicks. If you prefer to use HDMI, the wired HDMI and USB connection is also available. A good host makes everybody heard and seen well. Share your screens easily. During an in-person meeting, you can not only share your screen via the dongle and the HDMI cable, but also via screen mirroring techniques like Miracast and AirPlay. Bring your own devices and share your screens easily. The product is linked below for more details. Wireless conferencing with eShare W80. Team collaboration made easy.